Canon is poised to shake the professional imaging world with the EOS R4, a mirrorless flagship that finally answers the long-standing mystery behind the skipped number 4. For years, photographers speculated why Canon avoided this number, but in 2026, the company delivers a camera that not only justifies the choice, it redefines the category entirely. The EOS R4 doesn't simply sit between the R5 and the R1, it merges high-resolution capability and extreme speed into one groundbreaking tool, aimed at photographers and videographers who refuse to compromise on performance. At the center of the EOS R4 is a 60.3 megapixel back-illuminated stack CMOS sensor, a true technological leap for Canon. Previously, professionals faced a trade-off between ultra-high resolution for landscapes or commercial work and high-speed capture for sports, wildlife, or fast-action photography. With the R4, that compromise disappears. Its stack sensor architecture drastically reduces rolling shutter, ensuring sharp, distortion-free images even in high-speed environments. Coupled with roughly 15 stops of dynamic range, the EOS R4 preserves detail in both highlights and shadows under the harshest lighting conditions, from bright midday sun to low-light indoor venues. Powering this immense sensor is a dual-processor system. Canon combines the proven Digic X with a dedicated Digic accelerator, optimized for artificial intelligence calculations and autofocus processing. This advanced setup allows the camera to capture up to 40 frames per second in electronic shutter mode while maintaining full autofocus and auto-exposure tracking without blackout in the viewfinder. A pre-continuous shooting mode buffers images milliseconds before the shutter is fully pressed, ensuring decisive moments are captured perfectly. For photographers, this means 60 megapixel files at speeds that were previously unattainable, allowing both high-resolution detail and split-second timing in one package. Autofocus on the EOS R4 is where Canon pushes the boundaries. Eye Control AF 2.0 enables users to shift focus simply by looking at a subject in the viewfinder. In fast-paced environments like weddings, sports, or wildlife shoots, the camera instantly locks onto the desired subject without touching any controls. Complementing this is Action Priority Mode, which uses AI trained on thousands of hours of sports footage to predict subject movement. The camera recognizes skeletal structures and anticipates motion, such as a basketball player's crossover or a runner's stride, ensuring the focus remains locked on critical action. This level of predictive tracking is unmatched in the current professional mirrorless market. The EOS R4's video capabilities are equally impressive. It delivers full-width 8K 60p RAW recording, ensuring no crop and allowing lenses to perform at their intended field of view. Canon addresses the common overheating issue with a graphene cooling system, which dissipates heat more efficiently than traditional copper-based systems. This allows extended high-resolution recording without interruptions, making the R4 a reliable tool for commercial filmmakers, documentarians, and content creators. Dedicated features like a tally lamp and full-sized HDMI port also cater to professional video workflows, simplifying integration with monitors and recorders on set. Even when 8K recording is not required, the R4 shines. It oversamples 8K data to produce ultra-sharp 4K footage at up to 120 frames per second. Low-light performance is exceptional, with minimal noise and consistent color reproduction. Support for Canon Log 3 and Cinema Raw Light allows up to 14 stops of dynamic range, giving editors extensive latitude for grading and finishing. A global shutter-like performance in electronic shutter mode eliminates flicker under artificial lights, which is crucial for high-end video production and modern commercial shoots. Ergonomically, the EOS R4 balances portability with professional usability. It occupies a sweet spot between the compact R5 and the larger, grip-integrated R3. Its magnesium alloy body is fully weather-sealed, protecting against dust, moisture, and environmental hazards, making it reliable for fieldwork in extreme conditions. The electronic viewfinder features a 9.44-million OLED panel with a 240 Hz refresh rate, offering a viewing experience that feels natural and lifelike, comparable to optical viewfinders. Dual CF Express Type B card slots handle the immense file sizes generated by continuous 60-megapixel bursts and 8K video, ensuring seamless workflow for demanding professional tasks. A standout feature of the EOS R4 is its AI-powered in-camera upscaling. Using the Digic accelerator, the camera can intelligently upscale a 60-megapixel image to an equivalent of 240 megapixels. This process is not a simple interpolation, it reconstructs detail and preserves image fidelity, producing results that rival medium format systems. For professionals, this opens possibilities for ultra-high-resolution prints and large-format advertising material without the need for multiple cameras or additional post-processing software. Connectivity has also been modernized to match contemporary professional needs. The EOS R4 includes a full-sized HDMI port, USB-C 4.0 for fast tethering, and Wi-Fi 6E for stable wireless connections. These features streamline data transfer, whether in the studio, on location, or during live shoots, ensuring that workflow remains fast and reliable. Pricing for the EOS R4 in 2026 is expected to be approximately €4,799 in the United States and €4,500 in Europe. While this represents a significant investment, the value proposition is compelling. The R4 combines what previously required multiple cameras into a single system, offering both high-resolution and high-speed capabilities without compromise. It addresses the cooling limitations of the R5, the resolution ceiling of the R3, and the speed requirements of modern professional photography, creating a versatile tool that can handle virtually any scenario. Ultimately, the Canon EOS R4 is a benchmark for the hybrid mirrorless era. Its fusion of speed, resolution, and advanced video capabilities sets it apart as one of the most versatile professional cameras ever produced. The combination of performance, build quality, and innovative features ensures that it can handle any challenge a modern photographer or filmmaker faces. The EOS R4 isn't just a new tool, it's the ultimate professional camera, engineered to push the boundaries of what is possible in handheld imaging. Its release signals the dawn of a new standard in high-resolution, high-speed professional photography and videography, solidifying Canon's leadership in the mirrorless space for years to come.